Your ability to use technical analysis in order to make good trading decisions and inevitably make money in any market is imperative. It's something you cannot do without. And if you do not understand some parts of technical analysis, or if you don't know how to use them correctly, then that is likely a huge reason that you are currently either losing money as a trader or struggling to create profits over time. So for that reason, what I want to do in today's video is show you everything you need to know about technical analysis. We're going to be going all the way from what a candlestick chart is to indicators, support and resistance, trend, all the way to entry patterns and how to take stops and targets. We're dissecting everything today. In this video, I will be pouring all the knowledge about technical analysis that I have gained over the past decade of my own trading career into one video. And since I'm doing that for absolutely free, it would be awesome if you could just smash that like button for me to help out with the YouTube algorithm. If you are new, go ahead and click that subscribe button because we come out with content like this each and every week. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. You know what's coming. I'll see you after the intro and disclaimer.